Eras? Matapos umamin ng aktor na may namumuong relasyon na nga ito at ang anak ni Nadia na si Ina Asisto. Nadia has been very open sa publiko ukol sa suporta nito para kay Mark. Ngunit tila ang closest na to ni Mark at ni Nadia ay binibigyan ng ibang kulay ng ilan na nagsasabing hindi raw nadudulot ng mabuting impluensya si Nadia nito. Matapos di umanong humingi ng payo si Mark kay Nadia tungkol sa pagsasaayos ng sarili nitong finances. May mga ulat na lumabas na iniimpluensya raw ni Nadia ang aktor na hayaan nitong tulungan niya si Mark sa paghahawak ng kanyang mga kinikita mula sa kanyang showbiz commitments. Dahil rito, apektado rin ang anak ni Nadia na si Ina, lalo pat dumaan na rin sila ni Mark sa maraming pagsubok noong nagliligawan pa lamang sila. Ayon sa kanyang pahayag kahapon sa Star Talk,
sabi ko, bakit parang lahat ng tao ginagawa? Kung hindi nila nasisira yung relasyon namin na meron sa amin ni Mark, ngayon, sila ni Mami yung sinisira nila. Kung kami hindi nila kayang sirain, mas lalo yung relasyon ni Mami tsaka ni Mark. Kasi, sa totoo, mas matibay yung relasyon nila kaysa sa amin. Kung ano man yung problema, ang importante, okay tayong lahat.
matapos lumabas ang balitang ito, nagbigay pa raw ng sulat ang aktres sa mga magulang ni Mark upang ipaliwanag ang kanyang sarili. Personal namang nakapanayam ng Showbiz Central ang magulang ni Mark. Ipiniliwanag din nila ang kanilang panig.
Medyo palagi kasing si Mark, nandiyon palagi na Nadia. Which is, masaya naman siya doon. Huwag na nating ano yung bad influence. Which is, siguro masaya lang yung bata na sa company ni Nadia, parang ganon. Kasi malaking pamilya. Which is, sa tingin ko, baka siguro masaya siya doon. Pero okay lang yun, okay lang yun. Kasi nakikita ko naman na masaya siya doon, okay lang sa akin. Masaya na rin ako.
Friends kami sa Facebook. Although sinagot ko, no, in a nice way din, dahil puro nice words naman yan eh. Parang sinabi ko na hindi ka dapat mag-sorry kasi wala ka namang ginagawang masama sa amin o dapat namin ikagalit. Eh, hindi lang naman si Mark ang kasama nila. Maraming friends si Miss Nadia. So, they share everything. Na dapat naman talaga gano'n. Tuloy mo na lang yung pagiging second mother mo kay Mark.
Masyado nga ba siyang nagpapaka-involve sa buhay ni Mark at sa relasyon nila ni Ina? At handa nga ba siyang patunayan na hindi nga siya naging isang masamang impluensya sa buhay ng aktor? Ngayong hapon, sasagutin ng personal ni Nadia ang mga paratang ukol sa kanya. Live na live dito sa Showbiz Central.
So the question is, nagiging bad influence nga ba si Nadia Montenegro kay Mark Heras just
Talaga si
because
Nadia.
I think she is just teaching him to be more independent.
And here live on Showbiz Central, mga kataga-SC, and kasama na po natin the very controversial Nadia Montenegro. Good afternoon, Nads.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat.
So, nadawit na naman ang iyong pangalan sa isang controversy, and this time it involves someone very close to you. Alam ko kayo ni Mark, you guys are very close, and alam ko na lagi siyang dumadalaw sa house, and you treat him like your own son. Alam ko yon,
Yes.
and I can attest to that. Pero, how do you feel now na may mga kumukestyon sa closeness ninyo and you getting too involved daw sa buhay ni Mark?
You know, this is really funny kasi this is the face of showbiz. This is ito na yon. Ito na yung totoong showbiz na no matter what you do, talagang ginagawang chismis, ginagawang issue, yung tama, ginagawang mali, yung mali, ginagawang tama. Yung itim-puti. Mark is a very, very responsible man. And over and over again, I keep telling people na 2-3 years ago, maybe even a year and a half ago, it's safe for me to say na he wasn't. He was, he was a young kid, enjoying his life, working hard, but yet, wala siyang direksyon.
Okay.
And it's not anybody's fault. He was brought up by his parents really, really well. And that's one thing I love about him, is because priority ni Mark is pamilya niya.
Okay. Pero how do you feel na pati raw yung mga finances ni Mark, ikaw na raw ang nag-a-advise tungkol sa anong gagawin sa pera?
You know, this is so funny. Siguro, kasi medyo yung mga Facebook accounts namin or it's just an open book na we do have family vacations together. A vacation is not the same without Mark anymore.
Okay.
He is part of the family and he is loved by everybody. The kids look for him every day.
Okay.
And for me to even get down to his finances, parang, alam mo, may pinag-aralan naman akong tao, Raymond. Naghirap din naman ako sa buhay at hindi ako takot maghirap. At hindi ko para pakialaman ang pera ng ibang tao.
Okay.
Pera ng mga anak ko nga, hindi ko mapakialaman eh. Sa ibang tao pa kaya.
Pero as far as giving advice about money, siguro yun na, dun siguro nanggaling yung isyong to.
Mark is with me almost every day. With or without Ina.
So parang hindi maiwasan na mapag-usapan yon, di ba?
Yeah, so sometimes sabi niya, Nay, meron akong gustong bilhin eh. Ano yun? Yung ganitong, yung sa laptop, yung ganito ganyan, kailangan mo ba na? Pag kailangan mo at sa tingin mo naman, mababawi mo sa ibang paraan, then go on, buy it. Pero magpaalam ka sabihin mo kay tito at kay tita.
Pero at the end of the day, it's still Mark's decision.
Of
di ba?
course, he's 23.
Okay. Okay. Pero how do you feel also dun sa mga nagsasabi na mas pinaprioritize na raw ni Mark ngayon si Ina at medyo napapabayaan daw ang career?
That's so impossible. Alam mo, may issue kasing lumabas. Alam ko na kung saan nanggaling lahat to.
Okay.
It was my birthday last April 21, and a month and a half ago pa lang, we knew that Regine was leaving for Diva, the taping of Diva.
Okay.
So we grabbed the opportunity. Sabi niya, Nay, wala po si Ate Regine, and even Ina said the same. Pwede, let's look for a place where we can go to. We went to Subic. We
Okay.
were there for 3 days. He had his schedule blocked off until the 24th. Unfortunately, 23rd, may tumawag si Tito Hermie. Sabi Tito Hermie, anak, kailangan mong pumuntang Cebu bukas ng alas 7 ng umaga. He packed his clothes and he left. That's how professional he is.
Okay.
Although masama ang loob ng bata dahil
Siyempre,
balak
bakasyon
niya-
ka na, nasa Subic ka na, tapos biglang
Balak
next
na
day,
niya
7 a.m. flight. That's not a joke, ha?
Nakarating si Mark eh. So
Okay.
paano ako naging bad influence doon?
Okay. So
And-
at the end of the day, career is still a priority.
And Mark knows that. Even with
Okay.
Ina, career muna.
Baka marami ring nagsasabi, Nads, na baka nanggagaling naman to sa pamilya ni Mark. Have you spoken to Mark's parents and his family about this issue?
I so doubt it comes from them. That's so impossible. Alam nyo, kung pwede ko lang kunan or i-document yung samahan ng pamilya ni Mark at pamilya ko, perfect na eh.
Okay.
Masaya na eh. Bakit pilit pa sirain? I do not believe that. When Tito Ermi, Tito June comes to my house, I had dinner once with Mommy Bot in Eastwood. Wala kang makikitang... Alam mo, Raymond, kaya ako nandito kasi sobrang kumpiyansa ko, sobrang ang linis-linis ng intensyon at konsensya ko sa issue to.
Okay. Bakit ka naging emotional kahapon sa Star Talk?
Siguro dala na rin ng pagod.
Okay.
Pagod na ang saya-saya namin.
Tapos may bumabatikos
And then
pa.
I get a call that this is being said about me.
Okay.
And Mon, hindi nyo na maaalis yung trauma sa akin when it comes to issues. Nag-artista ang anak ko dito sa Channel 7. I'm very happy with what's happening to her. I have 2 kids with a new network. I'm a very busy mom. I promised myself, surrender ko na ang showbiz sa kanila. But I'm here because that's how much I love Mark.
Okay.
And I wanna make sure na wala na ulit gagawa ng storya sa amin dahil hindi nyo kami mabubuwag. Mark will always be my son with or without Ina.
Okay. Alam ko na you wrote a letter. Sumagot na ba?
As soon as I got a call from Showbiz Central that there was an issue, I did not bat an eyelash. I made a letter sa Facebook ni Tito Hermie.
Okay.
It was addressed to Tito Jun and to Tita Bot. And I was apologizing kung nakasakit man ako,
Okay.
kung medyo napapadala si Mark sa amin, but sinisiguro ko sa kanila that he's in good hands and nadagdagan lang si Mark ng pamilya.
Okay, sumagot na ba? Did they like the post?
Oh yes. Oh yes. I can proudly say
Okay.
that Tito Hermie and Tito June and Mommy Bot trusts me.
Okay, there you go. Pero this issue naman won't affect siguro the namumuong relasyon between Ina and Mark. Do
I
you
don't think so. Kasi, you know, actually, these are all answered prayers of Mark. I mean, everybody has been saying he's so irresponsable, he's lasinggero, he's babaero. And I always told him, prove them wrong. And he's doing it.
Okay, he's
He's
proven
doing
them wrong. And alam ko sa Party Pilipinas, he works very hard. Mark, congratulations by the way, kasi yung Cebu Inmates, di ba, last week, that
And
was
he's
terrific.
getting better by the day.
Okay.
And I'm so proud of him.
Alright, thank you so much,
Parang anak ko si Mark,
Nads.
hindi si Inan.
Thank you so much, Nads.
And Mon, give me this chance, please.
Okay.
Nanonood si Boy ngayon. Tart, hello sa lahat ng mga taga